Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get paid from Yelp after removing the spam comments. So for this you have to click on the start button, then you have to search for the Google Chrome option from here, and once you are in the Google Chrome you have to search for the yelp.com, and once you are in the yelp.com you will see this interface. So you have to scroll down to the below, and then you have to click on the careers option from here, and once you in the career option it will get loaded according to your internet speed. You have to simply search for this job here, user operation associate content moderation, then you have to click on search. After that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded, and here you can see there are so many job options here. You have to go through each of the job options. For example, I would like to go for this first one, and here you will get to know about all the problems and all the JD is here, and here you will get all the responsibilities that you need to do, and you have to just simply do this, simply read this and make sure that these all the responsibilities are working with you or not. If all the responsibility are working with you, then you have to simply click on apply now, and after that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. And then here you can see that they will ask for follow live at Yelp in Twitter and other social media platforms, and here we can see it's getting loaded again, and here you can see the full JD is already here. After that, if you read the JD full, then you have to click on the apply for this job online, and then it will simply take you to that page, and here you have to first enter your email and other information by clicking on next. And this is how you can easily earn money from Yelp. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.